Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Bun, and today we have a special holiday episode for you. With Christmas just around the corner, I know many of you might be feeling the holiday crafting crunch. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some fabulous last-minute Christmas crochet patterns that are quick, easy. I love giving handmade gifts, so Christmas is the perfect time to crochet cozy presents for family and friends on those quiet evenings. There's an indescribable warmth that comes from receiving a handmade crochet piece. Whether it's a cozy blanket, a stylish scarf, or a cute amigurumi, the effort and love woven into each stitch make it a unique and cherished gift. On the flip side, there's immense joy in crafting something special for someone else. The thoughtfulness behind a handmade crochet gift adds a personal touch that can't be replicated by store-bought items. Whether it's a Christmas or just a random act of kindness, the recipient is sure to feel the love stitched into every detail. The beauty of gifting and receiving crochet creations lies in the lasting memories they create. Each time the recipient wraps themselves in that cozy blanket or wears that handmade beanie, they're reminded of the care and thoughtfulness behind the gift. It's a tangible expression of love that stands the test of time. But unfortunately, there isn't always a lot of time for crafting crocheted items, and yet there's a strong desire to give something special as a gift. That's why I've put together a collection of quick crochet ideas. Let's go! First up, let's talk about Christmas mug covers. 'Tis the season to add a touch of festive warmth to your daily coffee or tea routine. These charming creations not only protect your hands from hot beverages, but also bring a joyful holiday spirit to your favorite mugs. Imagine sipping on your favorite holiday drink, nestled in the snug embrace of a handcrafted, Christmas-themed mug cover. Whether you're a crochet enthusiast looking for a fun project, or someone searching for a unique and thoughtful gift, these mug covers are the perfect solution. From adorable snowmen to classic red and green designs, the possibilities are endless. It's adorable, cozying up your everyday items. Christmas mug covers are not only practical for keeping your beverages warm, but they also make for great last-minute gifts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more festive crochet ideas. And we continue. Since we're talking about mug covers, why not crochet some coasters to go with them? I think it would make an excellent gift set. It would be a very charming present, especially because Christmas time is made for sipping cocoa on cozy evenings. These are not only practical, but also add a touch of holiday spirit to your home. Imagine sipping hot cocoa with a Christmas-themed coaster. It's the little things that make the season magical. These festive creations not only protect your surfaces, but also add a cozy and decorative flair to your holiday home. From intricate snowflakes to jolly Santas, the options are as vast as your imagination. Crocheting these festive coasters is not only a delightful DIY project, but also a fantastic way to bring a personal touch to your holiday decor. Grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's infuse our spaces with the warmth and merriment of the season. How about crocheting some adorable Christmas hair clips or headbands? In a rush? No worries! These Christmas hair accessories are quick to whip up, making them perfect for last-minute gifts or spontaneous additions to your holiday ensemble. Versatility in yarn choices. From plush to fluffy, acrylic to cotton, the choice is yours. Dive into the world of different yarn textures and experiment with crochet techniques to bring your Christmas hair accessories to life. Express yourself. Let your creativity shine by personalizing your Christmas hair accessories. Add embellishments, choose festive colors, and experiment with different crochet patterns to create one-of-a-kind pieces. Whether it's festive hair clips or cozy headbands, crochet your way to joyful holiday memories. Spread the warmth of handmade creations with these delightful accessories, or gift them to loved ones. These accessories are not only fashionable, but also a fantastic gift idea. Crocheted hair clips are currently trending now, so it would make an excellent gift. These can be made with plush yarn or fluffy yarn, as well as acrylic or cotton yarn. Anything you desire. You can whip these up in no time, and they make for perfect last-minute gifts or additions to your holiday outfit. Moving on to ornamental delights. Christmas ornaments are a must, but if you're running short on time, consider crocheting mini Christmas stockings or snowflakes. These charming ornaments will add a homemade touch to your tree, and the best part is, they work up quickly. If you're looking for a speedy way to add a touch of holiday magic to your space, These garlands are the perfect solution. From twinkling lights to cute holiday motifs, we'll explore ideas that you can whip up in no time. Let's turn those cozy evenings into crafting adventures and transform your home into a winter wonderland. You can beautifully package your gift, making it even more special. Add a festive ribbon or a card, wrap it in a lovely box, whatever you desire. Well, there you have it, a quick roundup of last-minute Christmas crochet patterns to add a handmade touch to your holidays. I hope you enjoyed these ideas. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more creative content, and let me know in the comments which pattern you're excited to try. And bye-bye!